This $1,199 washing machine has a few hidden features Electrolux thinks will set it apart from the competition. For starters, it has a 4.4 cubic foot capacity that should be able to hold a king-sized comforter. It also has the same Smart Boost technology as previous generation Electrolux washers. Smart Boost is designed to pre-mix laundry detergent with water before it hits the washer drum. Not only does this allow for a more even distribution of detergent, it's supposed to improve overall cleaning performance. Electrolux also added a totally redesigned dispenser with a dedicated compartment for detergent pods. That way, pod customers won't miss out on the benefits of Smart Boost pre-mixing detergent and water. This washer also has a 15-minute quick wash cycle as well as a new solid soil setting that's supposed to combat the toughest, nastiest stains around. Retailing for $1,199 in titanium gray, this Electrolux washer will also be sold in white for $1,099 when it reaches stores in May.